The look I'm going for today is radiant, beautiful, and fresh. I like to start skin prep with gold energizing eye recovery masks. Anna has naturally beautiful skin, so we're just enhancing what she has. I follow that with Mai Face Oil, massaging it gently into the skin. Using Camouflage Stylo under the eyes, around the nose, and on the chin before foundation allows it to come through as a natural highlight. I apply foundation on the center of the face outwards, and I add more when needed. Using a bouncing motion with your brush will give you more coverage. This gives you a natural application, a sheer, real look. Now I use cheek gelée on a soft brush, tapping it onto the cheeks for a natural radiant finish. I use the mini kabuki to tone down shine with HD perfecting powder, but I leave the outside of the face dewy and fresh. I brush brows up to find their natural shape, and using the waterproof brow definer, I softly extend the tail in soft feathering strokes. I set the look with clear brow gel, brushing up and then out. Using my finger, I use Mermaid Matte Eye Color in Olivia and press it onto the eyelid. I'm using Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara, working it into the root and combing it through. I like to leave the end with less product for a more feathery look. Lip Veil is a medium coverage, slightly glossy, comfortable lip product. I'm using Impatiens. As a final step, I spray pure Rosewater on the sides of the face to give a dewy glow. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.